are from Primus. Having a good set of tools when preparing your food in the outdoors make life a lot easier. So let me introduce the Campfire Prep set. The Campfire Prep set is a bunch of utensils held together in a polycotton roll with a strap and a buckle to keep it closed. It's easy to unfold and to keep close at hand when you do your cooking. So the pieces then. We have a knife with a 12 centimeter blade. It's got a full tank construction and an oak handle with brass rivets. The blade is flexible, which makes it easy for chopping, slicing and filleting even. And then we have the spoon, the spatula, and the fork, which all are great for a variety of things when cooking and serving your food. We've chosen oak for those as well, as it's very durable and also because it's antiseptic properties. And then we have the grater. It's stainless steel with micro cuts, perfect for your Parmesan cheese or the garlic. And the roll has got a coated inside, which makes it easy to clean, which is very nice. And the knife is kept in place with some magnets. The utensils with straps. And the grater has a protective cover like that, and also held together with straps. The roll has two pockets of mesh where you can keep spices or a small bottle of oil or whatever you might need for your cooking. And then you can also have it hung in the strap like that. Happy prepping!